We had an incredibly positive experience with Magnetic Speaking over the past month.
The process was fantastic. We had Magnetic Speaking come into our office.
As I progressed in my career, I needed to find authenticity and a little bit more ability to speak in an impromptu setting.
And we found that everyone, regardless of level or department, found this training to be incredibly insightful and effective.
I really loved the curriculum and the way the classes were structured.
We held 3 trainings over 3 weeks, 3 2-hour virtual trainings, which was great. All of our employees, for the most part, are working remote right now. So being able to offer a virtual training was great.
The virtual, I have to say, was as effective as the physical training. And I know maybe that's not what we all want to hear, but this is our reality right now.
And I actually really love the online classes, especially during shelter in place and getting to remote work. I think that what's cool also is I've logged in and I've noticed that people from all over the US are in these classes. So that's really cool.
The best part is the confidence.
One of our product managers recently commented to me about one of her direct reports who was leading a demo with a prospective customer and said his delivery from the start was better than she had ever seen before.
They can be in front of one customer or they can be in front of 1,000 and they still are carrying that same confidence